Cauliflower is often overlooked, but this oven roasted recipe is packed with heat and flavour. Start by preheating the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 230 degrees Celsius. And then prepare a baking tray by lining it with parchment paper and spraying with some oil to prevent sticking. We'll be using just one head of cauliflower, so cut off the stalks until you have just the small florets. In a large bowl, we're going to add a quarter cup of chickpea flour or gram flour and a quarter cup of rice flour. Then add in the spices, so it's a teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon paprika and quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and then add salt to taste and combine all the ingredients. Add in half a cup of water until a fairly runny batter forms. Now if the batter seems too thick, add in just a little more water. Toss the cauliflower into the batter and mix and turn it over until it's fully coated in the spicy mixture. And then, using a pair of tongs, just pick up the cauliflower florets and drop them onto the lined baking tray, making sure that the vegetables are in a single layer. Once the cauliflower is in the tray, you're going to bake that in the oven for about 20 minutes. Remove from the oven and then drizzle sriracha sauce over the baked cauliflower on one side, then turn it over and drizzle with the sauce on the other dry side. The tray goes back in the oven for another 5 minutes to bake. This baked cauliflower makes a great side dish, and surprisingly, my kids who are not fans of veggies enjoyed it. Let me know how you get on. As always, I hope you enjoyed this recipe video, and thank you for watching.